We saw the rand trading at 15 rand earlier this morning, but now has clawed back much of its overnight losses against the US dollar, but it remains bruised from a sell-off in emerging market currencies. The slump in the Turkish currency has been the main driver behind the emerging market currency rout. The Turkish central bank stepped in with measures to address the meltdown in the lira. Just more than 2 weeks ago, the rand traded at 13 rand 10 cents to the dollar before reversing course due to a combination of factors, including land expropriation locally and that trade spat in terms of concerns from investors. There are now increasing concerns over future petrol prices and interest rate hikes as the rand hovers at 13 rand 50 to the greenback. FNB's Wayne McCurrie says there shouldn't be much to be concerned about.
I think the rand can actually strengthen below 14 because that is fair value. Above 14, the rand's actually too cheap and investors must not panic. If it goes below 14, the petrol price hike won't be much because the price of petrol's down a couple of dollars. As long as the rand behaves 13.50, 14, the petrol price won't be a massive increase. Of course, if it goes back to where it was overnight at above 15, then we will see, obviously, a very big increase in the petrol price. But don't panic yet. This seems to be a little bit of, quite an illiquid market, and obviously someone had to cover their positions, and the rand is recovering a little bit where we stand now.